Good morning, my dear students. In previous class, we have learned about the transportation in plants, and we have seen how transportation takes place in plants, and we have finished the chapter transportation in plants and animals. Okay, so let's start today's exercise question answer of this chapter 11, transportation in animals and plants. Okay, so let's start from the first question. In the first question, there is a match structure given in column 1 with functions given in the column 2. Means in column 1, there are the structures are given, and column 2 the functions. So we have to match them. Column 1, this one, and column 2. Okay. Now, first is stomata, second option is xylem, third option is root hairs, and fourth option phloem. Okay. Now, what is the function of stomata? You know what is the major role of stomata? That play a very important role in transpiration. So here the answer will be option B, that is transpiration. Understood? Means loss of water. Okay. Now comes to the function of xylem. You know what is the function of xylem? Xylem is mainly responsible for transport of water. No? So here the option is option D from the column B. So the answer will be transport of water. Understood? Next comes to the function of root hairs. Root hairs, you know, root hairs is mainly main function is there for absorption of water. Okay. So here the option A, absorption of water. Okay. Now comes to the last option, that is phloem. What is the function of phloem? You know everyone, that is to transport of food. Transport of food. So here we can see the full column 1, column 2 with proper matching. Stomata main function as transpiration, then xylem to that is main function of xylem to transport water, and then the main function of root hair to absorption of water, then phloem that actually will be responsible for transport of food. Okay. So here we have seen the column. Now comes to the second number question, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here you can see, here the question, the blood from the heart is transported to all the part of the body by the dash. Here the answer will be, can anyone say? Please write in your chat box. The blood from the heart is transported to the all part of the body by the arteries. So here the answer will be arteries. Understood? Now comes to second number question, that is hemoglobin is present in dash cells. In our blood there is various types of cells present, you know. Now hemoglobin is present in dash cells. Among those cells, hemoglobin is present in red blood cell. Red blood cells, or you can write RBCs. Okay. Now comes to third number question. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of dash. I have drawn the picture that how arteries and veins are joined together to form a fine network, and what is the main function of that network that I have already told you. So that network is known as capillaries. So here the answer will be capillaries. Understood? Now comes to fourth number point. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called, all of you know this, very easy answer. This is known as heartbeat. Okay. Now comes to fifth number question. The main excretory product in human being is dash. Now I am giving you option. What are the excretory products? Different excretory products I have discussed: uric acid, urea, ammonia. Among these three, which is the excretory product in human beings? Please tell me. Write in your chat box. Now comes to the main excretory product of human being. The answer will be urea. Okay. Next question. Sweat contains water and dash. What is the main components of sweat? Water and salt. You know. So the answer will be salts. I am rubbing the upper portion. Now comes to 7 number question, that is kidney eliminate the waste material in the liquid form called dash. Here the answer will be urine. Okay. Now the last question of this fill in the blanks, that is water reaches great heights in trees because of the suction pull caused by dash. Here by a process suction pull is actually takes place in them. The name of the process is, please write in your chat box. Yes, very good. The answer will be transpiration. Okay. So I hope you understood this question. Now comes to the next page 132. Here some MCQ question are there. 2 questions are there only, MCQs. Three number. Choose the correct option. In plants, water is transported through, that I have already told, that is the main function of xylem. So here the answer will be 3A1, that is xylem. Okay. Now comes to B number question, that is water absorption through the roots can be increased by keeping the plants. Here 4 options are there: in the shade, in dim light, under the fan, covered with a polythene bag? Please write in your chat box what will be the correct answer. No, it will not be in dim light. Please write the correct answer. I want correct answer. Here the answer will be under the fan. Okay. So B3 under the fan. Understood? Now comes to the question answer of this exercise. Fourth number question. Why is the transport of material necessary in plant or in an animal? Why there is need of transportation? I am writing the answer. Please follow me. Transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal for the following reason. In the first point, you can write to transport food to various parts of the body, and the next option you can write animals need to transport waste materials to parts from where these materials can be removed. So here the main two reason for the transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal: to transport food in various parts of the body, and animals need to transport waste materials to parts from where these materials can be removed. So these are the main two reasons. Okay. Any problem? Okay, please write it down. Okay. Next comes to fifth number question of this exercise. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? I have told you many times that what are the main function of platelets, and if there is absence of platelets in our blood, what will happen to us. Okay, so let's comes to the answer. If there are no platelets, then blood will not clot, as platelet releases clotting factor clotting factors at the site of injury. And that helping prevent the extra loss of blood from our body, and as you know, extra loss of blood from our body may leads to death. Okay, so here we have discussed up to question number 5 in your exercise chapter number 11. In the next day I will discuss the remaining portion of this chapter. Okay students, please write it